Has there been times where you think, this way that I think can't be normal, or there must be something wrong with me because I can't focus for more than 30 minutes? Well, believe it or not, you are perfectly okay. You're perfectly normal. Let me kind of take away some of these false beliefs that you have and give you 30 psychological facts all about the mind. Coming in at number 1 is we are only able to sustain high levels of concentration for 45 minutes, and after which most people require a break. Our brain wanders for about 30% of the day on average. Brains have a negative bias and they will remember negative memories more than the good ones, and this is intended to better protect us. Sleep deprivation can affect the brain in multiple ways. It can affect memory, impair judgment, and slow down your reactions. Your brain doesn't stop working when you're asleep. Meditation can transform our brain in as little as 8 weeks. A Harvard study showed measurable changes in brain regions associated with memory, sense of self, empathy, and also stress. Ambidextrous people have a corpus callosum, which is the part of the brain that bridges the two halves together, and that is 11% higher than those who are just right-handed. On average, humans experience 70,000 thoughts each day. Laughing at a joke requires activity in 5 different areas of the brain. Forgetting unnecessary things is good for the brain. It helps the nervous system to maintain its plasticity. Memories get distorted over time, and the average human has at least one entirely false piece of memory. If your mind often wanders, there's an 85% chance that you are subconsciously unhappy with your life. When you have a crush on someone, your brain will often ignore their flaws and causing them to appear perfect. Thinking in a foreign language makes your decisions much more rational. Studies by the Georgia Institute of Technology have shown that daydreaming is actually good for your brain. It may also indicate that you are really smart and super creative. The more we hear something, the more we believe it's true. Now, this is called the illusion of truth, an effect on the brain where there is the tendency to believe false information to be correct after repeated exposure. A person's memory is able to save 90% of what they do, 50% of what they see, and 10% of what they hear. There are 3 types of long-term memories. Now, there is the procedural, which is how to do things and learned body responses. There's the semantic, which is information or the knowledge. And then there is episodic, which is life experiences. Studies have shown that the brain purposely forgets certain memories in order to avoid information overload. While the brain represents only 2% of the body's total weight, it requires about 20% of the body's oxygen and 25% of the body's glucose. One of the hardest tasks for the human brain is convincing yourself that you no longer care about something. Long-term memory is controlled by the Wernicke speech area in the brain. The more pictures you take during an event or a moment, the less of it you actually remember yourself. According to research, bilingual brains are better at ignoring distractions and are generally much more efficient. The right side of your brain is more closely related to emotional processing, whereas the left side is related to languages and speech. The human brain is composed of approximately 75% water, as well as fat and protein. Learning new things can change your brain and increases your intelligence, even if you are older. Talking to yourself can actually make your brain work much more efficiently. Unexpected calls and texts have been shown to instantly improve a person's mood and state of mind. Having positive thoughts increases your brain's ability to make much better decisions. There you go, we've reached the end of the video and you have now under your belt lots and lots of facts all about the brain. Which one did you resonate most with, or which one did you think, you know what, I don't believe that for a second? It'll be great to read your replies down in the comment box just below this video. I can't wait to see what you send me. I hope that you have subscribed to the channel, and my name's Anna, and I want to see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, and bye-bye.